Hey guys, welcome back to another Wednesday. Hey, this video is going to be about all of the events that we participate in year-round in the 6 different communities that we're at here in Michigan. So one of the things I learned many years ago is if you open up a business in your neighborhood, you need to partake. You need to show up into the community and get really involved with a lot of the events that are going on. Anytime we have an opportunity, we usually take it to set up a booth, help out with a local fundraiser, whether we're doing free samples or passing out information or just being there to support. You know, our customers in our area support us, and we understand the importance of showing up to their events and participating and giving back. This one here is in Troy, Michigan, where we have been for about 18 years, and it is the Boys and Girls Club event. It's their biggest fundraiser of the year. It's called the Taste of Troy, and we show up, man, when we're there, you know we're in the house. We really do a good job, and we usually bring home one of the awards. We're usually best dessert or something like that, and very proud of what we do in the neighborhood. We're happy to be there, and so it's a great event. In Armada, we have a wonderful garden, the April Millsap Garden. Here is my Zach and Rachel accepting the award for Donator of the Year. These are things that, you know, guys, if you're in a local community, you know you have to be there. You can't just open up a shop and sit there on Main Street and hope that people come in and hope that people will find you. You know, do a little advertising, you're doing your social media, I get it. But if you have an opportunity to set up a table, set up a booth, put your little tent up, pass out free samples, talk to the community over your table, let them know what you're doing, let them know what you offer, you know, that's really the best way, face-to-face interaction. And you know, not even in your own local area should you be out there being active, showing up with bells on. But we also participate in a lot of the trade shows. So we may go to the DBA Show. We've set up there, Denver, Colorado. We've set up at the Fancy Food Show many times. Here we are at the NRA, that is the National Restaurant Association, and it was really great to meet some famous celebrity chefs there. Well, really, Thomas Keller isn't a celebrity chef, but he's certainly a world-renowned chef. And so that was a lot of fun. But what you do when you go to these big trade shows is, right, you're networking and you're meeting other people within your industry, within your trade. You're sharing ideas. You're, you know, learning what's new. What are other people doing? You're stopping and looking at other people's booths. So that's really important that you participate in trade shows. Hey, man, whatever kind of trade you are in, whether you're, you know, a builder or you go to the big camper trade shows or you go to the, you know, you're learning about all of the newest, latest, greatest things that are going on within your trade, so you can stay relevant and you can keep up. And to me, it's really important that, you know, whenever I'm working with someone, here, like in my home or something, a builder or maybe an arborist or someone, that they really understand what are the latest and greatest things that are going on in that area. And if they've been going to trade shows, then I know they're keeping up. So that's who you want to hire to work with, right? Somebody who knows what's going on in their own industry. So over the next few months here in Michigan, it's springtime. So it doesn't look like it, because here we are, March 31st, and we've got snow again. But technically it is spring here in Michigan, and we've got a lot of events that we are going to be at this spring and this summer. We're going to be next week, I believe, at the Bacon Bash. So we have been, you know, asked to come again this year and trying to incorporate bacon into some of our desserts. So they've got something really special that the Research and Development Department here at Achatz Pies was working on. So don't miss out on that. It's great to come to these events here in the Detroit area and taste all the different new things that are happening there at the Bacon Bash. We'll also be participating to counteract the Bacon Bash. We'll be at the Veg Fest here this summer. Excited about that. We've been every year. That's a lot of fun. Like I said, there's just so many different food events here and just so many really great things to taste and to drink here in Michigan. And we love to show up to all of them, not only to show our wares and bring our great pies to the event, but we like to see what other people are doing and all of the cool little breweries and all the other little bakeries and really cool restaurants. They're there with their signature dishes usually. So we like to go in and usually you buy your tickets at the door and then you're allowed in. Here we are at the Arts Eats and Beats, and that's in Royal Oak. Super crowded, but a lot of fun. Here we are participating at all the different wedding shows, a lot of time in Novi. There'll be the big convention centers, and we love to show up with our beautiful wedding pies. As you know, we have a whole wedding pie department. I was able to meet Chef Rick Bayless here in Chicago when we participated in at a wonderful event. It was something to do with chocolate, and everybody brought their really wonderful chocolates and desserts and everything. And Chef Rick Bayless was doing some really cool demonstrations there. And so again, he's really a trendsetter here in the world of food, and it was an honor to be able to meet him there. But we participated in that event in Chicago, and it was to help raise funds for up-and-coming chefs that wanted to go to the culinary school there in Chicago. Here's another event here at Christmas that we were at. My friend Kate Lawson had invited me out to participate there, and that was helping an adoption agency out. Here are my daughters Ariel and Rachel in our local hometown of Armada, and we were participating there at the Jason Freewald Memorial Park there. We did a beautiful dedication that day. Our whole community came out. It was just an amazing, beautiful day. We were here raising funds to help to pay for the memorial that we have there at our local park. Really wonderful opportunity again to be active and participate and know that we're giving back and we're helping out here in our neighborhood. So guys, I hope that you're going to get out and about this summer, and if you do, come and try some pie. We're going to be, like I said, at the Bacon Bash April 6th, April 28th. We're counteracting that with the Veg Fest there at the Suburban Collection in Novi. Taste of the Lions, that's going to be at Ford Field. And the Michigan Bridal and Wedding Expo, April 28th. We can't wait to be there. That's always a really fun show to go to the wedding shows and display our beautiful little wedding pies there. We're going to be at the Senior Expo, April 5th. That's coming right up at the Macomb Intermediate School building in Clinton Township. Care for a Taste, April 30th at the GM Heritage Center in Sterling Heights. So we're just going to be out there and about this spring, and we hope that you come out and participate in some of these events and help to raise funds. Please consider subscribing to my channel. Hit the little notification bell as well, because next week or the week after, I'm going to be posting an old video that I just found. It was when Whole Foods had come out to our bakehouse and did a little filming there. It's just a little 4 or 5 minute informational video. They were doing like vendor spotlights or whatever. When they posted that like 10 years ago, oh man, I had made one huge mistake on that video. I said something that I didn't realize was wrong. And at the time, I guess their marketing department didn't realize it either, but it's still up. And I still say this, see if you can spot what I said wrong on this video next week. But man, when they posted it, I was called out by a lot of the Whole Foods customers there. Whew. Since then, we were able to fix the mistake and stop purchasing that item that I said I was purchasing. It was a locally grown item here from Michigan. Check it out and see if you can detect the big mistake. So let me know that you are enjoying the content that I am putting out by giving me a thumbs up, or perhaps subscribing if you have not subscribed already to my channel. Hit the notification bell, share it on your social media platform if you so please. And I hope you do. I hope to see you next week. All right, everybody, have a good one. Bye-bye.